let me park there real quick, family. A lot of times you're going to ask yourself questions of saying, well, I come from this field. Like I was yeah, I worked in IT, but I was a developer. Do you think I could be an IT project manager? Or I used to write code. Could I be an IT project manager? See, family, the thing what I'm going to share with you today, I'm going to really unpack. Yes, you can be an IT project manager. You'll probably be more further ahead than most project managers, IT project managers, but that is the disclaimer. The way they're going to lap you or beat you in this of really having true success is their ability to really move forward in some of the skills that I'm going to discuss here today. Now, I know I could talk about, oh, well, you need to understand all the different technologies and this. No, we're not even going in that direction. The reason why we're not going in that direction, family, is because of how I was able to get into IT, how some of my friends and peers were able to get into IT. And it wasn't like the typical path. And I would recommend this path to anyone. And so before you guys, I want to give you this path right now.